Hi guys, VULKEE Arts here. Happy New Year 2022. This year I just want to come out and kind of explain a little bit more about what I do other than my art in VULKEE Arts. I'm also a realtor. I work in the Milwaukee, Wisconsin area and surrounding area with my firm, Creative Results. My team is a VULKEE Realty team. My name is Yeng. Phone number is 414-388-266. My email is yengvnncr at gmail.com. So anyway, I want to focus mainly on the buying process. Okay, I help sellers also. I know a little bit about investment here and there, but my main focus is on buyers, first-time home buyer with grant assistance. Tell you a little bit about why I got into this business. I'm a graphic design major. Graduated from UW Parkside back in 2005. That was a while back, or six, I don't remember. I think it's 2005. Yeah. So from there, I don't know. I just worked as a mechanical drafting guy for 8 years, and then decided to just, I guess, midlife crisis or something hits me, and I just changed job here and there, and then now you know, became a realtor. And the reason why I became a realtor is because I am all community guy. I'm a community guy. I'm always helping out community growing up here and there. So if it wasn't for this nonprofit organization and their idea of helping the community, I wouldn't jump in to become a realtor. But because I saw that, hey, look, this is a good chance for me to help the community from to help the renters to become a home ownership to make the community a better place. So that's why I became a realtor. And at that time, with the nonprofit, I was an assistant realtor for 6 months. From there, I learned the business and took the exam, uh, took the class exams, and then my mentor resigned, and I took over. After a year, I decided, hey, I feel like I can help and do more if I join a firm that's not with a nonprofit. So I decided to go with Creative Results, and yeah, so I can go more into that sometime. But for now, let's focus on the buying process. So if you are planning to buy, there are four main things. Okay, there's five, but the fifth one, it's only if you don't have credits, then the bank will search into alternative credit. But let's focus on the four. Okay, so first one item is your ID. Okay, if you are still a permanent resident, they will need a green card and your driver's license. So that's number one. Number two is paycheck stubs or some form of income, monthly income. Okay, like a war letter if you are getting SSI from the government and stuff like that. Okay, or 1099, yourself, the profit and loss, stuff like that. Paycheck stub. If you get paid 1 week, they will need the bank will need four paycheck stubs. If you get paid 2 weeks, they will need only three paycheck stubs. Okay, 1 month of income. You have to be a full-time worker, employee, and work more than 2+ years. Let's say if you work 3 years and then you quit your full-time job, you jump into another job, a full-time job quickly. I believe it's less than 3 months. Anything more than a month or 3 months, I believe, then the bank will questions you and why you don't work for a certain time. But if you jump to a different job right away, full-time job, you're fine. The bank would still need at least a 1 month paycheck stub. So either way, keep that in mind. And then, so I have the ID, paycheck stub. Then the bank statements. Number three is bank statements. This one gets a lot of buyers sometimes. I mean, I'm sure everything here gets it's new to you, but if you are planning to buy, make sure you have enough money saved up in your bank for more than 2 months. Okay, guys, 2 months. If you decided to put cash that you save from home into the bank today, and then you come to me tomorrow and say you want to buy a home, the bank's gonna ask for a paycheck, bank statements for 2 months, and if they see that, you just deposit your money. They're gonna ask you where that money's coming from. If it's not traceable, even though if you have 10,000, you just put it in there today. It's not more than 2 months. The bank's not gonna buy it, so you will not be able to use that money to help you buy your new home. So make sure you save for 2+ months. Okay. Um, I'll say at the least to have in your bank account, if you qualify for the grant money to help you, at least let's say $4,000. Okay. Um, keep in mind when you are buying the home, uh, there's the closing costs, down payment, and stuff like that. Okay. Earnest money, so that's why home inspection. That's why you need money to be in your bank account. If you don't have money, pretty much the bank's gonna say, if you don't have money, what makes us want to give you our money? Because you don't. If we help you buy the home and you don't have money to pay for your mortgage, then there's no point. Okay, guys. So that's that. And the last one, number 4, would be the W-2 or your self-employed 1099 and tax return for 2 years. Okay, so let's say you don't have 2021 yet, then you need 2019, 2020. But if you just do your taxes this year, then you will need 2020 and 2021. So 2 years. Okay. If you don't have these, most likely not gonna get it pre-approved. Also, what counts would be your credit. Okay, credit score. So make sure you pay your bills on time. If you miss a month, they are going to make you wait 12 more months. Okay, so that's a long time. So make sure you keep these in mind. And if you are thinking about buying, just make sure you do not buy any big expensive items like a new car. Do not buy a new car. Do not co-sign with anyone. Do not open a new credit card. If you pay off your credit card, do not cancel your credit card. Just save it so it's in there and active, and it gives you that credit. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the items I would need to help you out to get you pre-approved. Okay. I think it's a lot better to own your own home than to be a renter, because why help the landlord pay for his home for him, when you can be paying for yourself. Okay. And plus you can be more responsible and feel appreciative and pride that you have your own home. You can do whatever you want, I guess, as long as it doesn't affect your neighbor or surrounding. Just party. You can paint your new rooms. You don't have to tell your landlord and say, hey, can I do this and this, stuff like that. um, there's more responsibilities of owning your new home, but the feeling, it's a lot better, guys. I've been there, so I want to help the community, help you to become a homeowner this year, 2022. Keep thinking about the old days. I don't know why, but yeah. All right, be safe and give me a call. My number is up there, so check that out. And my office is still at that location. So give me a call, text me, email me. I'm good with text and email. Text is probably the best. That way it stays on my phone. I can look back and check it out. But anyway, you have a good one. Would like to help you out. Okay. All right. Happy New Year, and may 2022 bring you prosperity and good health. All right, guys. Take care. VULKEE Arts, and come back and check my YouTube channel, guys. Take care.